Fontanone di Goriuda, Italy. Deep in the heart of the Julian Alps, tucked between steep cliffs and endless green, lies one of Friuli's most magical places, the Fontanone di Goriuda. It's more than just a waterfall. It feels like walking into a hidden world, a secret carved by time and water. The trails start quietly, birds, leaves, and the distant sound of falling water. And with every step, that sound grows louder, until you finally see it. The waterfall burst out from the mountain itself, pure, icy water cascading into a turquoise pool below. But what makes this place truly unforgettable is that you can walk behind it. Standing there, the sound surrounds you, water falling just a few steps away, mist on your face, and a curtain of silver light. It's humbling. It makes you feel small, but in the best possible way. Places like this remind us why we travel, not to escape life, but to feel it more deeply. So if you ever find yourself in northern Italy, take the small detour into Goriuda Valley, because sometimes the most beautiful places are the ones nature hides best. Fontanone di Goriuda, Friuli, Venezia, Giulia, Italy.